Yeah, I got money way before the deal. Put my in new pair here.
Hey guys, it's Cindy. So today I decided that I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do a video. I'm gonna show you guys how to do a chicken pot pie. So I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients. So yeah, shall we get started? But let me get my hair up. Wanna watch how I do chicken pot pie? Just continue watching. So I'm not doing my own crust, so this one's the one I bought at the store. It comes with the top, because this is the one I'm gonna put on top of the chicken pot pie so it can have a crust. I have 1/3 cup of flour. I have 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, mixed vegetables, and this is 2 cups. Then we have 2 cups and 2 cups and a half of shredded chicken. I have 1 cup and 3/4 of chicken broth. This is all you're gonna need. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. Also 1/3 cup of butter. You need a pot. Bag. Right now the oven is at 425, so I'm letting that heat. Just adding the butter and it's like completely melting into like water. So we're just gonna melt this. Alright, here goes the onion. So for the onion, we just want it till it's soft and till it's cooked. And we're gonna stir this for about 2 minutes, and yeah. So it's been 2 minutes and this is how it looks like. Now we're gonna stir in the flour. Put that in there. Go ahead and add the salt. Here's the salt. And because it's probably gonna get stuck. Then we're gonna add the salt and pepper. This is how it looks like. And the chicken broth. And add our milk. Yeah. So we're gonna cook this until it's bubbly and thick. You don't want your heat too high, so we're just gonna have it there until it's bubbly. So this is getting bubbly and it's starting to boil and it's getting thick. Alright, see how it's bubbling? That's what you want. I'm gonna add the chicken and it's right here. I'm gonna add little by little. There. And that's the rest of the chicken. So you're just gonna mix this. And we're gonna go ahead and add the vegetables now. Here, they look delicious. That's the rest of it. And we're just gonna mix this. Yummy. This looks so good. Even though it does look a little bit pink because of the chicken, it's alright. And we're gonna go ahead and pour it on the pie crust. Pouring it on it. I'll show you how it looks like when it's all done. It's gonna be a thick pie. It's gonna be good. Can't wait to dig into you. It looks really good. So what I'm doing now is, it kind of ripped, but that's fine. I'm making sure the edges are stuck together. So there we go. Now it's time to put it in the oven. So I just put it in the oven. What we did was just cover the pie with the other pie crust. We just have to wait 30 minutes. So we're gonna do for 30 minutes. We have to make sure the pie crust looks golden baked, you know what I'm saying. And we just gotta wait. And while we wait, I think I'm just gonna clean because I think I made a big mess. This is how it looks like. The crust on the edge looks very crusty. On the top, not yet, but we still have like 10 minutes to go, so we'll see how it ends up. Since the oven wasn't working for ours, well, or for our oven it wasn't working, so I used this little thing. Hopefully it does its job, but we will see. So I'm still cleaning, I'm still washing dishes, so I'll come back in a little bit. How it looks like. So y'all already know that it looks Gucci. Oh, that shit. I'm gonna have to clean this after. Look, this shit's hot. It's almost gone. It's almost done. Look, it's good. But this is how it looks like, the ending product. It looks good.
What is that?
Till we're just gonna let it sit here till like 5 minutes.